Today we are going to talk about different branches of biology. In order to study all the aspects of life, the main divisions of biology are further divided into different branches, namely morphology, anatomy, histology, cell biology, physiology, genetics, embryology, taxonomy, paleontology, environmental biology, sociobiology, parasitology, biotechnology, immunology, entomology, pharmacology, and biochemistry. The first branch we are going to discuss is morphology. Morphology deals with the study of form and structure of the living organisms, their shape, their size, their pattern, etc. Anatomy. Anatomy is the study of internal structures of the living organisms. For example, different organ systems of the human, the skeleton, for example, the bones, respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system. Histology. Histology is also known as microanatomy or microscopic anatomy. In this branch of the biology, we study the tissues under microscope. Cell biology. This branch of the biology deals with the study of cell division. The study of the structures and functions of the cell and cell organelles is known as cell biology. Physiology. Physiology deals with the study of functions of different parts of the living organism. For example, kidney, liver, and lungs. Genetics. The study of genes and their role in inheritance is known as genetics. Inheritance means the transmission of the characters from one generation to another. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is the study of the naming and classification of the organisms into groups and subgroups. In this branch of biology, we study that how an embryo develops into a new individual. Paleontology. It is the study of fossils, which are the remains of extinct organisms. Environmental biology. It deals with the study of interactions between the organisms and their environment. Sociobiology. This branch of biology deals with the study of social behavior of the animals that makes societies. Parasitology. Parasitology deals with the study of parasites, that are the organisms that take food and shelter from the living organisms or living hosts and in return harm them. Biotechnology. It deals with the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. Immunology. It is the study of immune system of animals which defends the body against invading microbes. Entomology. It is simply the study of insects. Pharmacology. Pharmacology is the study of drugs and their effects on the system of human body. So this was a very brief information about the branches of biology. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.